Hi, this is Rakshita, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you've already subscribed to me, welcome back for yet another video. I'm so sorry, I don't have a YouTube intro, I need one. But today's video is about doing a glow up with me because I have been experiencing a slump. A slump is basically when you just at home, you never leave the house, you're just in your bed and you're rotting all day. You don't really have the energy to do anything. You get dressed, you wear your night suit the whole day. And it's pretty much been that way for like, I'd say around 2 weeks. And it's starting to concern me because not that I'm going through something, but it's just like making me really slow, sedentary, and I'm not really having any, not like I'm having negative thoughts. I'm just having a very sedentary, boring, lazy lifestyle. So I thought I'll like do something. And yeah, for this video, I'm not like leaving the house and like buying a hell lot of stuff and putting it and lathering it on my face and like feeling like a glow up. It's for me, it's more of a mental thing. Like I do want to do like a little bit of get ready with me, but I also just want to talk about this slump situation. I like push myself to actually do something because oh, it's gonna rain. It's monsoons. Also, yeah, one more thing. Monsoons make me a little depressed, which I think most of y'all or maybe some of y'all can relate to when it like rains over an incessant period of time continuously. Like in Mumbai, where, at least where I've been living, it's been raining continuously for like 4 5 days straight. The weather is always gloomy, so I think that adds on to the factor of me not wanting to leave the house. So yeah, this video is about kicking me out of my lazy ass routine and just adding a little bit of spice to it and putting in some effort so I feel like I've done something in the day. It's literally 1:20 right now. Okay, let's start. Okay, we're in my kitchen right now because I wanted to grab a glass of water, and I have been recently adding a little bit of salt to my water to help with the hydration part. And I was also reading like if you're someone who likes to hydrate just with the help of water, you will find yourself going to the washroom way more. Show you how do I even show you guys? I'm just gonna add this much salt. Okay, I just took a quick shower because yeah, I know it's really late. But anyway, you just ignore my hair for now. I wanted to wear something which is like really light, comfy, but it still feels like a little dressy to get me out of like the night suit situation. So I'm wearing like this loose tee situation, which is kind of striped. This is from H&M, and I'm wearing like these linen sort of pajamas, which are very comfy. Not linen, sorry. It's like a cotton blend sort of a based pajama. It's really comfy, and I'm wearing my chappals down there. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna move on to my skincare to like, finesse the entire situation. Let's go. Oh no, my mic is like kept up there. I don't know, like as I'm growing older, I'm just gonna like start doing my hair because it looks like this. I mean, that's not bad. I like the curls, but I feel like as I'm growing older, and also if you're someone who's been living near the coast, or like if you're someone living in a coastal part of India or anywhere for that matter, I feel like you need the sun. Like I cannot imagine myself staying in a hilly area because I'm so accustomed to like staying or just being surrounded by a water body. I I just realized I need sun. And also I feel like as you grow older, you really need to like get out of your house and experience being outside in nature, which is I think like that's when your frontal lobe is like really developed, when you realize that there is so much drilling going on. I don't know if you guys can hear it, you can probably hear it. It's really loud. When your parents used to say that, oh my god, it's always the phone, your stomach's screaming, it's the phone, like every root cause of your problems in your life is the phone, you fall sick, your parents are like, oh, it's the phone. And I've started to realize it might just be the phone. We are so like involved in our phones that even leaving it for a second has messed up our attention span so much. Like it is concerning. Like the kind of attention span that I used to have, the ability to even sit and watch like a movie without using my phone, I just can't do that anymore. Like I'm watching a movie and I will be watching reels on the side. Like that's not normal. Our generation is going through this vicious cycle of just relying on our gadgets so much to a point where your attention span is just almost like what 3 to 5 seconds. If nothing catches your attention, especially given how frequent people are using Instagram, if nothing catches your attention in the first 3 seconds, you're out. You're not even gonna bother watching the whole thing. And that is just concerning as a whole. Okay, if you're probably wondering why my hair is black here and like golden above, it's because I colored it and the color is kind of washing off, and also I did not color it like that well. So the underneath of my hair here is kind of, yeah, it's black. I think I'm just gonna do like a middle part. I've lately been loving middle parts lot, and I've lately been loving middle parts a lot. I don't know, I went from doing a lot of side parts to middle part. I don't know what is it about middle part, it just makes my hair is all kind of greasy right now, so that's a whole different thing. I don't know what is it about middle parts, it's just it just looks a little more chic, like I don't know. Also, yeah, it helps to like make your face look a little more symmetrical, but at the same time, when you do a middle part, if your face is a little broad or puffy, I think it kind of highlights the corners of your face to make it look more broad. I don't know. That's just my thought. Ow. I think I'm done combing my hair. One of the reasons I also don't like combing my hair is because all my curls just open up. My hair type, now that I think about it, is some. My hair type, now that I think about it, is like it's kind of flat over here, but when it grows down, like the weight of it, it becomes curls. So whenever I wash my hair, I didn't wash it today because I think it can still go like a day longer or something. I have like a curly slash wavy pattern and I like to do the scrunching method to help my curls. And yeah, I think okay, let's move on to the skincare. I've yapped so much. Now for the skincare, I've realized the less I do, the better my skin is. So I use a few staples. And to be very honest with you, recently I've just been using this one thing for my skin. And also because I've been lazy, so that's a part of it. But I'm just gonna put a moisturizer and call it a day. Also because the weather is kind of humid, so I think it's only at night when I use serums and everything, but in the morning I literally just use the CeraVe tub, and as you guys know, it's one of the best. Like this is for me as a holy grail because my skin is really dry. Like if I had to rate my skin, it would be like type 3 sort of dry, like a desert. So I need to like moisturize it a lot. Also lately, like when it comes to skincare, I've just stopped purchasing every other product because I realized there was a time where I was buying almost every other product that had been trending on Nykaa or any like TikTok, not, I mean I don't watch TikTok, but like on YouTube when I was watching, YouTube was talking about this TikToker is talking about a particular skincare that's blowing up, and then you want to go and buy that particular skincare or whatever product that is, only to realize that the more products you put on your skin, that does not necessarily equate to the fact that you'll have a good skincare. routine or like your skin is going to improve drastically. It's not about the number of products. One, it's more about consistency. Your skincare is going to take years to work. It does not just work in like, yeah, look, you can see results in a few months, but for it to actually become a part of your system and routine, it takes like years in being consistent. And having a few holy grail products rather than having 10 products for your skin and like all the 10-step care routine, don't get me wrong, I have been guilty of that. It's not sustainable also. One, second, your skin will get irritated for a period of time. Okay, I'm just gonna end it with this. This is like the lip balm from Laneige. This is the berry fruits. I love the smell of this. Okay, to be honest, if I had to give my review of this particular lip mask, it's not exactly lip balm, it's very thick in texture, it's Laneige. It doesn't do anything for me, like it doesn't hydrate my lips, like I don't know how to explain it, but it makes them more, it gives a more shiny, plumpy look in the morning, so I apply this at night. And it has like a little bit of pink tint to it, like I apply it at night and then sleep with this. And there's one more thing that I want to add to it. It's the Benetint. Oh, sorry, no, I take that. It's not the Benetint. It's the Water Tint by Etude. This is in the color. This was, I think. Color was this? I think it's number 7. Like Etude has 2 colors. One is pinkish or more orangish, and then this is like the red one. So I like to. Sorry, I like to like. mm, This is my skincare, and ooh, I really like to add these two together because it looks. I feel like this particular tint sits more in my lower lip to make it look more, I don't know, more pink or something. But I like this like combo. It just adds a little more pink that I'm looking for. Yeah, the time currently is. Okay, I'm gonna pick this up and now speak like this because I put my mic away from me. The time currently is, it's 3 p.m. Okay, this is it for the video. I wanted to make it a little longer, but I feel like since this was like a quick get ready with me, get me out of my slum, just chatty sort of a vlog, I thought like let it be like a mini vlog sort of a situation. Stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you genuinely like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.